Let's dive into the fascinating interpretations of the sons of God in the Torah.
The term B'nai Elohim, or sons of God, or could be sons of the gods, or sons of the judges, appears several times in the Hebrew Bible. Specifically in the Torah, we find it in Genesis chapter 6, verse 2, where it says, "The B'nai Elohim came to the daughters of Adam." There are several interpretations of this verse, and the most simple understanding is that this means sons of the judges, or sons of the rulers, and simply means that men with political connections were corrupt and used their clout to have their way. The word Elohim is translated as judges in Exodus chapter 21, verse 6, and Exodus chapter 22, verses 8 to 9, including in Christian translations of the Bible. Thus, to translate the word Elohim in Genesis chapter 6, verse 2 as judges or rulers is not a far stretch and is the most simple translation. This interpretation is found in medieval Jewish commentaries such as Rashi and the ancient Aramaic translation of Targum Unclus, and was accepted by many Christian commentators.
The more esoteric interpretation is that these were some sort of angels, inasmuch as we see in Job chapter 1 verse 6 and chapter 2 verse 1 that angels are called B'nai Elohim, or sons of God. The medieval Jewish authority Maimonides, who is known as a rationalist rather than a mystic, mentions 10 races of angels, and one of them is called B'nai Elohim. Based on ancient texts such as the books of Enoch, some interpret Genesis chapter 6 verse 2 in this light, to say that the sons of God in that verse are also angels, perhaps some sort of fallen angels. This interpretation is popular in some Christian circles as well. Some contemporary rabbis, including the late Rabbi Aaron Soloveitchik of Chicago, have been on record stating that Genesis chapter 6 verse 2 may be speaking of some sort of extraterrestrial biological entities, although this view is controversial, but nonetheless popular in many circles, especially among those who espouse ancient alien theories.
Either interpretation is kosher and valid, but the more simple interpretation of Rashi and Onkelos is the most preferred, that Genesis chapter 6 verse 2 was speaking of human beings who were politically powerful. We hope you enjoyed this content. This channel has over 5,000 videos, including Torah commentary, podcasts, footage of Jewish and historical events, and much more. We are sure you will find more videos you will enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell button, and comment. Rabbi Kolakowski often makes videos based on questions in the comment section, so you might have a video made just for you. By helping this channel grow, you are helping to spread Torah. God bless. Hirtziya in the